Imagine waking up one morning, opening your phone, and realizing you have no idea where your money went last month. Bills are paid, but your paycheck seems to vanish into thin air. That sinking feeling is what millions of people experience every single month. But here's the twist. The right money management app could completely change that story. The big question is, how do you choose the right one? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to find an app that feels like it was built just for you. Number 1. Start with your financial goals. Before you even search the App Store, ask yourself this. What do I really want this app to do for me? Do you want it to help you budget your groceries, track your debt payments, grow your savings, or maybe all of the above? Think of it like buying shoes. If you're going running, you don't buy sandals. If you're going to a wedding, you don't wear hiking boots. Apps work the same way. For example, if your main goal is to stop overspending, you need an app that shows real-time alerts when you're close to your budget limit. If your goal is paying off credit card debt, you need an app that focuses on debt payoff strategies. Your goals guide your choice. Without that, you'll download 3 or 4 apps, get frustrated, and delete them all in a week. Number 2. Decide how much control you want. Some people like a hands-off approach where the app does everything for them. Others want to be in the driver's seat, manually entering every detail. For instance, Mint and Rocket Money automatically sync with your bank accounts. They pull in your spending data and sort it for you. You barely have to lift a finger. On the other hand, apps like GoodBudget use the envelope method where you enter your expenses manually. It feels more hands-on, but it gives you total control. Ask yourself, do you want automation or do you prefer control? That one decision cuts your choices in half. Number 3. Look at the cost. Here's the truth. Many money management apps are free, but some of the best features hide behind a paywall. Prices usually range from a couple of dollars a month up to $15 or more. Now you might be thinking, why would I pay for an app when I'm trying to save money? Great question, but think of it this way. If a $7 app saves you from overdraft fees or helps you cut $100 in wasteful spending each month, that's a huge return on investment. A good rule of thumb is this. If the paid features directly help you reach your goals faster, they're worth it. If not, stick to free. Number 4. Check the features that actually matter. This is where most beginners get stuck. They open the app description and see a long list of features like bill tracking, investment tools, AI insights, cash flow forecasting, and more. And then they feel overwhelmed. Here's how to simplify it. Focus on 4 main things. First, does it track income and expenses clearly? Second, does it let you set and follow a budget? Third, does it give you reports or charts that actually make sense? Fourth, does it connect with your bank safely? If an app nails those 4, anything extra is just a bonus. For example, if you want debt payoff help, look for features like the Debt Snowball Calculator. If you want savings, see if it offers automatic roundups. Number 5. Look for simplicity. A money app should feel like a friendly assistant, not a math exam. If you open it and feel like you need a finance degree to use it, that's a red flag. Imagine this. You've had a long day at work. You sit down to check your spending, and the app greets you with complicated graphs, 10 menus, and confusing finance terms. You'll quit in 2 days. On the other hand, an app like Pocket Guard shows you one simple thing: how much money you have left to spend today. That's it. Clear and simple. If you're a beginner, choose simplicity over advanced features. You can always level up later. Number 6. Security matters. Let's be honest. Connecting your bank accounts to an app can feel scary. What if someone hacks it? What if your data is sold? These are valid fears. Here's what you should check. Does the app use encryption equal to what banks use? Does it offer 2-factor authentication? And most importantly, what do other users say about its security? Think about it. You wouldn't hand your house keys to a stranger without trust. Don't hand over your financial data without checking the locks. Number 7. Compatibility with your lifestyle. Do you want to track your money on the go or mainly on your laptop? Some apps are mobile only, while others have full desktop versions. For example, in Ab, you need a budget, shines on both desktop and mobile. But some apps only feel smooth on a phone. If you love spreadsheets, you might even prefer apps that integrate directly with Excel or Google Sheets. The key here is to make sure the app fits into your daily routine, because if it doesn't, you'll stop using it. And the best app in the world is useless if it sits unopened. Number 8. Test the trial period. Most apps offer a free trial. Treat this like a test drive. When you test drive a car, you don't just look at the engine. You sit in the seat, feel the steering wheel, and see if you're comfortable. Do the same with your money app. Open it every day for a week. Does it feel natural? Does it reduce stress or add more? If you dread opening it, move on. Number 9. Read real reviews. App Store ratings can be tricky. Sometimes, the 5-star reviews are paid for. Instead, scroll down to the 3-star reviews. That's where you find the truth. Those reviews often say things like, "Great app, but the customer support is slow," or "Works well, but struggles to connect with smaller banks." These details matter. Imagine downloading an app only to discover it doesn't work with your local credit union. That's wasted time. Number 10. Avoid feature overload. Here's a trap many beginners fall into. They think, the more features, the better. But extra features can distract you. Think of it like a Swiss Army knife. Yes, it has 20 tools, but do you really use the fish scaler? Probably not. The same goes for apps. If all you need is budgeting and savings tracking, don't get lost in apps that offer crypto tracking, stock trading, and bill pay all at once. Stick with the tools that actually match your goals. Number 11. See if it motivates you. Money apps aren't just about numbers. They're about motivation. Some apps give you progress bars, achievement badges, or fun reminders when you hit a savings goal. That might sound silly, but psychology shows rewards keep us motivated. For example, hitting a "you saved $100 this month" badge can feel surprisingly powerful. It keeps you going. Ask yourself, does the app make you feel excited about progress? If yes, that's a good sign. Number 12. Look at integration options. Do you already use apps like Venmo, PayPal, or investing platforms? If so, check if your money app integrates with them. For example, some apps can automatically pull in your PayPal income if you're freelancing. Others can show your stock portfolio alongside your checking account. Integration saves you time, and time is money. Number 13. Consider shared accounts. If you're married, living with a partner, or even sharing bills with a roommate, check if the app supports multiple users. For instance, Honeydew is designed for couples. It lets both partners see spending, set limits, and even message each other about money inside the app. This can prevent awkward "who bought what" conversations. Number 14. Check for customer support. Here's a detail beginners often skip. What happens if something goes wrong? Does the app have live chat support? Email support? Or are you stuck waiting for days? Good support can make or break your experience. Imagine your app suddenly stops syncing and rent is due tomorrow. Quick support is not optional. It's essential. Number 15. Think long-term. Ask yourself this. Is this app something I can see myself using for years? Some apps shut down suddenly. Others keep improving and growing with you. Choosing the right one now saves you the headache of switching later. Think of it as choosing not just a tool, but a long-term financial partner. Number 16. Check for customization. Not everyone budgets the same way. Some people prefer categories like groceries, rent, and gas. Others want to track more detailed areas like coffee runs, gym memberships, or pet care. The best apps let you customize categories so your budget feels personal. If you cannot adjust the app to match your lifestyle, you will feel boxed in and stop using it. Number 17. Look at cash flow forecasting. Some apps do more than show what you spent. They predict what is coming next. For example, an app might tell you, based on your bills and income, you will be short by $100 at the end of the month. That heads up gives you time to adjust before it happens. Forecasting is like having a money weather report. It prepares you for storms before they hit. Number 18. Consider offline access. What if you want to track spending in a place with no internet? Not every app works offline. For example, if you are traveling, commuting, or living in a rural area, offline access can save you from forgetting purchases. When the internet is back, the app syncs everything automatically. That way, your records stay complete without gaps. Number 19. Evaluate update frequency. A good app should not feel outdated. Check when it was last updated. If the last update was 3 years ago, that is a red flag. Active updates mean the developers care about fixing bugs, improving security, and adding new features. It shows the app is alive and improving, not abandoned. Number 20. Look for educational resources. Some apps do more than track numbers. They teach you about money. For example, apps like Anab include short lessons on budgeting strategies. Others have blogs, videos, or built-in tips. If you are a beginner, these resources can make the learning curve much easier. Number 21. Check for alerts and reminders. Life gets busy. It is easy to forget when bills are due. Apps with reminders can send you a nudge before payments hit. This helps you avoid late fees and stress. Some apps even alert you when your balance is low so you do not accidentally overspend. Number 22. Watch out for ads. Free apps often rely on ads. But too many ads can feel distracting and untrustworthy. Imagine trying to check your budget and being interrupted with pop-ups about unrelated products. If ads annoy you, either pay for the premium version or choose an ad-free app. Your money deserves focus, not distractions. At the end of the day, the right money management app isn't the one with the most features or the highest rating. It's the one that fits your goals, feels natural to use, and actually helps you take control of your money. So what about you? Which money app have you tried that either saved your finances or drove you crazy? Share your experience in the comments.